There are there are 5 major characteristics of services. There are 5 major characteristics. And where is the setting? Show meeting notes, show meeting details, entire rise. There are 5 major characteristics of services. Idon question 5 10 marks ಗೆ it is most important. 10 marks question. ಅದೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is important for 10 marks. What I mean by services and explain its characteristic features anta. Question define services. Define service or services. Explain or discuss five major characteristics of services. 10 marks. Important. Double star. You can take double star. Okay. Hope you can understand me. Hope you could able to read my mindset. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ. The first characteristic, intangibility. Characteristic number 1, intangibility. Characteristic number 2, inseparability. Number 3, perishability. Number 3, perishability. Number 4, heterogeneity. GENEITY. Number 5, ownership. Number 5, ownership.
Sir, can you repeat second point, sir?
Inseparability. I'll explain each and every characteristic. Okay, inseparability. I repeat it: intangibility, inseparability, perishability, heterogeneity, and the last one, ownership. In a notebook, write down, okay, these characteristic features. I'll try to explain each and every one of it with examples, with some real life examples which are very much okay, near to your understanding, within your very close circles of understanding, within your very close circles of experience, within your own reach of understanding, I can say. I hope you're getting my point. And okay, let me go back to, okay, the first one, intangibility. We have discussed much about this characteristic feature, intangibility. The major part of the definition of ownership, sorry, services, they're all covered, okay, by this term, by this characteristic feature called as intangibility. Intangibility, okay, there we say that services are intangible in nature. They are not the physical objects, they are not the physical things, they are not the materialistic things to touch and feel. You can only experience, so they cannot be seen, touched, felt, or tasted before the purchase. If at all you want to experience them, if at all you want to have a kind of taste of it, taste of the services doesn't mean that, okay, you need to have the taste by using your tongue. Okay, you can even, you can have the taste, you can have the feel, you can have the breeze of it. Okay, you can have the breeze of it, I can say the breeze. I hope you can understand this word. You can have the breeze of it. Breeze of it. Breezing of it means to say that experiencing it, internalizing it, feeling it. Okay. In order to do that, in order to have it, okay, in order to experience the intangible nature of the services, okay, you have to purchase them. You have to pay a price for it. You have to pay a price for it. Okay, I have given more examples for intangibility or intangible nature of the services, and okay, they were even okay. It is said that what is called as the image of the service organizations. The image of the service organizations largely depends on service organization largely depends on this kind of intangible experience. Intangible experience. Okay, I will just quote one example. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದೊಂದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. Okay, are you all agreed? Do you agree with me? I have an example. I'll give a very beautiful example. Okay, which is very much within the reach of your understanding. Okay, with regard to one industry, with regard to one organization, I have my own experience, I have my own example, okay, which I can explain it to you. And after explaining it, okay, each one of you should give one example for this intangible nature of services. At least ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Are you ready? It's not only me, okay, giving the examples and quoting the kind of things, and you keeping mum, keeping shut, keeping without any sign of participation. You should interact and you should participate. Agree? Do you all agree with me? Yes or no? If you say yes, I have the example, I can give it to you. Are you ready to participate? Are you ready to discuss? One example kodbeku intangibility ge. I'll call one by one. Okay, there are 33 participants. One example. Okay, one example, hardly 1 minute. Just record an example and finish it. Do you agree? Agree or not agree? Agree or disagree? Hello? Not even one answer. Whether you want the example from my end or not? Hello?
Yes, sir, we want.
You agree? Eh? Yeah. All of you are agreed, right? Say yes. Who is your class leader? If the leader says yes, then I agree. Then I'll continue.
Abhishek, sir.
Abhishek.
Tarun.
Tarun. Okay, Tarun agreed. Okay, on behalf of the class, you have agreed. Tarun, where is Tarun? I am not saying Tarun's message. Ananya is agreed. Arjun is agreed. Okay, Abhishek is agreed. Only 4 are there. Okay, what about the rest? Rest are all rusted. Can I say this word?
Agree, sir.
Rest are all rusted. Can I say this? I'm a bit rude because people are not good enough in responding. Now, maybe in the year 2013 or 2014, I don't remember exactly. I myself, yeah, agreed. Rishabh, very good. That's the spirit. Very good, very good. Maybe in the year 2000, I'm giving the example for intangibility. And the intangibility of the services also represents the image of the organizations, or the company's image, so-called, the brand image, so-called, and the different the reputation, so-called reputation of the organization, reputation of the organization, reputation of the service organizations depends on the intangible nature of the services, intangible nature of the facilities provided, extended, rendered, delivered by these organizations, industries, facilities. Maybe in the year 2013 or 2014, I don't remember exactly. I have conducted a small survey in order to know about the reputation of this Karnataka silk. Karnataka silk sarees. KSIC. You know this KSIC? ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಸೀರೆಗಳು ಮಾರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಗೊತ್ತೇನೋ ಇದು? NI ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲೋ, NI ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು KSIC ಶೋರೂಮ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ. Yes. I don't know, maybe some of the girls have already purchased this Karnataka Reshme Sari. I don't know, but it's quite expensive. But I don't know, if you could affordable, okay, then you can maybe you may go for it. That's a different option now. Okay, yeah, fine. Now there, I did a survey in order to know about the reputation of this KSIC, okay, as perceived by the customers. None as my own personal experience, only for the purchasers, the facilities were not so greatly extended. No proper arrangement, no proper reception, no proper organizations. Okay, not well equipped, no receptionists. Okay, very rude, the kind of people. Okay, not good responsive and all. Okay, after looking at that, I did a survey, and also ambience is also not well receptive. Ambience also not so good, Danta. Now, after conducting a survey, I came to know that KSIC, even though the quality is good, even though the quality of the silk is good, okay, there the marketing department is not performing its functions well, and the ambience is worse. Ambience of the marketing place, ambience of the marketing or marketing, I can say place. I can use this word. I don't know whether I'm right or wrong. Okay, is worst. Therefore, people said. Therefore, people said. Customers, I can say. Are of the opinion that the reputation of KSIC is adversely influenced by ambience of KSIC showroom. This was the conclusion. Ambience ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೋ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ರೂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ನಾಟ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್, not the things are not organized as per the quality or as per the price. ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋರು they are not neatly dressed, they are not well dressed ಅಂತ. Okay, and therefore people said that okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಜನನೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಾದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ KSICಗೆ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ದಿಸ್ KSIC marketing center ಅಂತ. ಇದನ್ನ somehow I could able to bring it to the notice of the people, and ನೀವು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈಗ KSIC ಹಳೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೊಸದು ಒಂದು ಬಿಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್. Have you noticed this? Have you noticed it? Hello?
So what, sir?
KSIC ಹಳೇದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದು KSIC ಹಳೇದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೊಸದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ದೊಡ್ಡ 2 ಫ್ಲೋರ್ 3 ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇರೋ ಅಂತದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಪೇಂಟೆಡ್.
ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದಾರಾ?
ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ 6 months ಇಂದ 1 year ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ರಿಷಬ್, have you seen it? Hello, Rishabh, have you noticed it or not, man?
Yes, sir. The big white building, sir.
Yeah, the big white building. Somehow I could able to bring it to the notice of authorities over there, and ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ನಮಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಕಂಜೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಗ ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ 2013-14 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್. ಆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದು ಒಂದು ಮೈನ್ಯೂಟ್ 0.001% ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಂದು ಇದೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ the good of the ambience, the great kind of experiences, thrilling, exciting, the kind of things should be there. Then only, okay, people will be happy to visit there. Customer inflow organizations get ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ business ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. There is a direct proportion. This is my research experience I'm talking about. When you increase the customer inflow to the organizations, customer inflows ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವೆದರ್ all the customer enquiries may or may not result into the kind of the revenue resulting kind of things, but there should be inflow. There should be the maximum kind of inflow to the organization. Customer inflow ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆ inflow ನಲ್ಲಿ, if the inflow is 1000 inflow customers, okay, per day, ಆ 1000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ okay, even 25% realization ಆದ್ರೆ okay, there will be 250 purchases. And ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹಾವ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ have the best ambience. You should have the best ambience. Then only you can increase the customer inflow. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೋ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಮಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ತರ ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರ್ distribution centers ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, whatever it could be. See that okay, you are going to increase the customer inflow. Enquiries ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ see that your inflow, see that your ambience is improved. Okay, this is what exactly my own experience 2013 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ. ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 2019-20 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ, they are seeing it, they're looking at that possibilities of extending good ambience, okay, creating more space, okay, creating best possible ways of serving the people, serving the customers who visits the KSIC showroom. Okay, KSIC ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಲಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಕಂಜೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ಸಫೋಕೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಹಳೆ ಜನ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗಿರೋ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್, ಚೂಸಿ, very difficult to satisfy them. Okay, one aspect is tangibility. Now you share me Okay, your experiences, your examples with regard to tangibility aspect, characteristic feature of services. Any examples from your end? Am I reached you? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನು ಅಂತ? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you give me your examples. SBI branch. What is that SBI is doing? Tell me. How these people are increasing their intangible nature of their services. Okay, you mean to say that they're not friendly. Okay, SBI has got very poor intangible services. Late response. Okay.
Lunchtime, sir.
Okay, lunchtime. Good. Next, one more example. You are not happy with the SBI services.
Yes, sir. Server issues, sir. Lot of server issues.
Yeah, major problem that. Major problem is that the technical issue. Yeah, you're not happy with SBI services. SBI services, sorry. Any other examples? Please quick. Siddiq on answer ko one response bantu. Thank you, Siddiq. Good man. I encourage you for your good participation. Arjun, in some government hospitals, they speak a little bit rude and they usually do not take more interest. So that the reason people prefer private hospitals more than government. Yeah, you are right. Recently, there is a great amount of voice is coming out. See that? Okay, nationalize the complete healthcare sector in India. Nationalize the complete healthcare sector in India. Government hospitals should also function as the private things are doing. Okay, for that great amount of expenses, amount of money is required, investments are required. I don't know to what extent it is happening. Okay, Arjun, you are very much right. Okay, recently I had been to Apollo. You all know that. Okay, in spite of okay, Ananya, in some cases, even though the ambience is not good, the customer flow will be more. Give me one example where it is happening. Please,
Sir, Hotel Hanumantu.
Hello. One
Sir,
example.
Hotel Hanumantu, sir.
ಯಾವ್ದಮ್ಮ ಅದು? Hello.
Sir, Hanumantu Hotel, sir.
ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದೇ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂಗಾರಪೇಟೆ ಚಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂಗಾರಪೇಟೆ ಚಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಬರೀ ಈ ಪಾನಿಪುರಿ ಈ ತರದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರೋದು. ಆಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಏನೇನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತೂ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಓಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಆಟೋಮೊಬೈಲ್, ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಾವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ನೀನ್ ಕ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ದಹಿಪುರಿ ಪಾನಿಪುರಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಆಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್. ಹಲೋ
Sir, it is because of the quality.
Because the quality or maybe because of the customer trend. ಹನುಮಂತು ಅದೇ ತರ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ. ಓಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಹೋಟೆಲು ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಮರ್ತೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ದಿವಸ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಓಕೆ there are some places, Ananya, you're right, but it is the customer trend. Even though customer no, the ambience is not good, inflow is so high. Tegu mess exactly. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದಿದ್ದು? ಹಲೋ, ತೇಗು ಮೆಸ್ ಕಣ, ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಣ. ತೇಗು ಮೆಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಕಾಯ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗಲೀಜು, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಟೇಬಲ್ ತೊಳಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ತೊಳಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಜನ ರಶ್ಶು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಲಿ ಹಾ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ
ಸಂಡೇ ಫುಲ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಏನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾಟ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಕಣ ನಿನ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ತೇಗು ಮೆಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ some more examples. Give me some positive examples with regard to intangibility. ಈ ತರದ್ದು ಬಿಡಿ, ಇದರ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಮೇ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. I am not assuring that I am giving you 100% right answers. Okay, you can go on debating on it. Okay, I can only say it is the trend and maybe the quality.
Mysore Guru Sweets, sir.
Mysore Guru Sweets and maybe the quality. Okay, yeah. Any other examples? Mysore City railway station being a tourist crowded place, the ambience keeps getting better and cleaner. Mysore City railway station is improved far better now. Pratik Shetty, you are so smart, man. Pratik Shetty, okay, you are so good. Our college canteen. ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತು, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳು ಮರಯ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೊಣ ಹಂಗ್ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತು, ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹುಡುಗರು, ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ದೇರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ Prashant Kumar's that gobi and noodles, fried rice. Ambience is not at all good. I can give it 0. My rating for this college canteen is 0. But still, maximum of our students will be there only all the time. Definitely, sir, famous gobi. Prashant Gobi. Okay, then any other examples? Any other examples, please? Hello. VRL Travels having good service. Yeah. Vijayanand road lines, they are the best branded logistics services. Best brand in logistics. Red Bus Services. Okay, Mahalakshmi Sweets. Mahalakshmi Sweets, yes, they are very good. Okay, I know Mahalakshmi Sweets is my favorite destination. Whenever I require sweets, or whenever I'm in need of sweets for my homely purpose, I visit Mahalakshmi Sweets. Okay, it's the best place. Okay, I have seen that for every 15 minutes the whole complete floor is cleaned. Not even a single fly. Okay, the complete floor is clean for every 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, even the case of your Vaishnavi Sweets, even the case of Mahalakshmi Sweets. Okay, Mahalakshmi Sweets, it is one of the well-known best brands of Mysore. Okay, if you say brand Mysuru, if you say brand Mysuru, okay, you are going to attribute the attributing things are contributing factors are the contributing factors, the contributing things are, one is Mysore Sweets, Mysore Pak, Mysore Tarpaulins, you are right, Ananya. Next, Mahalakshmi Sweets. Okay, and Palace. Mahesh, Tiffany's. Okay, yes, very good. And I can add one more. Maybe I'm right or wrong. And I can add one. I have one more favorite destination in Mysore. Okay, this Dosai Point. Dosai Point, Kuvempu Nagar. Dosai Point, Kuvempu Nagar is my favorite destination. Whenever I like to have this masala dosa, I visit there. Okay, ಮೊನ್ನೆನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ, but okay, I have postponed it to tomorrow. Tomorrow probably we are going to get the parcel masala dosa to our place. Okay, tomorrow's breakfast is masala dosa parcel. Okay, from Dosai Point. It is already decided yesterday itself. Yeah, there are so many other places where okay, ambience plays a very charming day. What is this? Chamarajendra Geological Gardens. Yes, good. Even that's also fine. Likewise, okay, the whole Mysore has got a very reputed name. Dias is having good reputation, but after lockdown, when I went and the white screen, I'm not what is this? White screen looking cream color and foods and beverages are costly. Okay. Okay, Cafe Biryani, good. Kaveri Emporium, yeah. You can go on naming several things. Okay, you can go on naming several things. Only in Mysore, I'm not going beyond Mysore. If you just go across India, if you just go across the globe, if you just go across the different places, you will find many of such organizations where, okay, they gave more concern. They give more concern to the ambience. More concern to the ambience. Yeah. Hello, you're there? Listening to me?
Yes, sir.
At the same time, I have one more favorite destination, but just because of its ambience and just because of its good reception. Okay, and I just give me 1 minute time. Okay, I have to take the name, okay, from my wife, because that's a sari center. I visit there every time. Okay, just 1 second. I just mute my. Hello, hello. It is PSR Sari Center. PSR Sari Center.
Sir, where, sir?
Just next to your Saraswati Theatre. Saraswati Theatre, Kumpanas, Tonchi couple. PSR saris.
Yes, sir.
PSR. Have you heard of PSR? There also ambience is so good. The reception is so fine. The receive you so good. Even though the things are a bit expensive. Okay. Yes, sir. Very famous treater. I know it's not for my sake. My wife loves this PSR center very much. Okay, ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we visit there. PSR Sari Center. Okay, ambience is good. It is neatly arranged. I can see the neat segmentation. Okay, even I can say the organization, the arrangement of the price wise, quality wise. Okay, based on the kind of affordability. Okay, high class, medium class, low class kind of things. All these things are neatly arranged. For that reason, I said PSR is good. Okay, maybe the price is bit high, but if the customers are well treated, if they're happy, they're satisfied, okay, they don't mind in paying the price. This is the advantage for the entrepreneurs. See that, okay, you maintain the ambience. See that you maintain the intangibility aspect of your organization. That improves your reputation. That improves your reputation, your image of the organization. You're happy? Okay, any more questions that I can take? Inseparability and all these things, I'll discuss it, okay, in the next classes, giving more examples, more discussion, more participation. Okay, involving all of you, okay, making all of you to talk, making all of you to participate, making all of you to interact. Okay, that's what exactly learning is. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
That's fine. Any questions? Arjun Mallu. Yeah, that's good. And there are 5 more, definitely. Very good, very good. You're all happy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is how exactly you need to understand the services management. You need to understand the characteristics. In future, if you go for opening of any, doing or any of such entrepreneurial activities, engaging any of such service organizations, see that these characteristics are well followed, well maintained. Ambience. Create good ambience. Even though it's bit expensive, okay, you can put the whole burden on the customers in the coming days, and they are ready to pay. The present day customers, okay, they are so friendly, okay, when you become good treaters for them. That's an advantage. This is what exactly understanding your consumer behavior. Consumer behavior. Shall I close it? You have any other questions or any doubts? Okay, I just 1 second. I'm just downloading the attendance. Hello.